Have you ever dreamed of earning extra income in 2025? What if I told you that starting a photography business could be your answer? Photography is in high demand in the UK, and it gives you the flexibility to work on your own terms. With our step-by-step course, you can start earning in as little as 4 weeks. We'll teach you how to start small, how to handle a camera like a pro, and most importantly, how to get clients and make up to £1,000 every month. As part of the course, you'll also get a comprehensive guidebook detailing camera parts and their functions. And here's a bonus. Learn how to start and profit from photo magnets, a creative high-profit add-on. Plus, you'll receive 1 year of mentorship, a package worth £2,000 to support you every step of the way. The course fee is £1,000, but if you register before December 31st, you'll get a whopping 70% Christmas discount. Course starts January 11th, 2025. Don't wait, spots are limited. Start your photography journey today and take control of your income in 2025. Register now by visiting marvelousphotography.co.uk/photography training to secure your future in photography.